Oh damn, bro. So on inspection, his rotor has been destroyed. Look at that, guys. Look how thin this is. So let's start by taking this apart. If ever your wheel is stuck, your 10 mil, get it on the axle, give it a wiggle. Boom. Bob's your uncle, mate. Yep, courtesy of Brixton Cycles. Quick tip, just grease your spoke ends a little bit. Okay, so let's have a look. We've got one spoke here. It's a single cross, so I expect this one to go right here. And this one here is going to go right there. So fairly easy one to put through. Just like that. And then this one.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem, brother. Take care.